Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify store password. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser when you open your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once on the website, click your profile photo or your username on the upper right. This one over here. Once you click that, a drop-down will appear. Now once you see the drop-down, you're going to click on Manage Account. You will now be redirected to another tab. Once on the website, you will see these few details over here. When you scroll down, you just need to keep scrolling down and then you're going to go to Security, the one with the lock icon. Next to General, this one over here. And then there will be an option to change your password over at Passwords tab. Just tap on the button this time. When you tap on it, a new window or pop-up will appear. First, you have to input your current password, and now input your new password. Make sure only you know your password for safety reasons. Once done, confirm your new password by typing in or retyping the new password you already input. Once done, click on Change Password. And that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.